It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Sierra 3500 Denali HD. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Denali. The driver's door has power locks, the programmable memory seat, power windows with 2 auto express windows, power adjustable side mirrors. They're also power folding and power extending. Lastly, we have the child lock button, door storage, a premium Bose sound system, all-weather floor mats on the floor. To the left of the steering wheel, we have the heads-up display button and the information tab. Here we have trailer mode. By turning that dial to the right, we have our drive modes appear on the dash. We've got normal and off-road, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, lighting controls, and the park brake. A power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, leather interior, and a power sunroof up above. Denali embroidery in both headrests. Next, I'm going to climb in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and a heated steering wheel button. The right side has our audio controls. Next is the driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash by using the arrow buttons that are found on the steering wheel. Up above, the programmable garage door opener, power sunroof buttons, rear window slider, and OnStar. Next is our rear view mirror camera. We're able to change that view back to normal by flicking the switch at the bottom of the screen. This is GMC's Infotainment Center, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also got navigation, and it doubles as our backup camera. We're able to change the camera view by simply pushing those buttons at the bottom of the screen. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and cooled front leather seats, the exhaust brake, lane departure alert, park assist, tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control, and hill descent control, the trailer brake, some USB ports, and power plug-ins. Down below we have the wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. And next we have the engine push start button. At the front of the Denali, we have the Denali Unique Grille. Embedded in our grille is the front camera, chrome tow hooks, LED headlamps, fog lights, 20-inch polished aluminum wheels, a 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert, as well as the turn signal indicator, rear tinted windows, running boards down below, Denali hard badging. The door handles have keyless access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. The box side step, the rear window slider, remote start, and the corner step bumper. Those corner steps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. I'm going to pop it open using our key fob here, pushing that button twice. It's also got GMC's MultiPro Tailgate, so by pushing 2 additional buttons, I can drop our tailgate step down. The box of the truck has a spray-in box liner, cargo hooks, a power plug-in, and LED box lighting. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. You'll notice there's lots of head and leg room for those passengers riding in the back. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets, And the back of our center console has 2 cup holders, heated rear seats, some USB ports, and a power plug-in. All-weather floor mats on the floor. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. We also have behind the seat storage behind either of the rear seats, as well as under seat storage by simply lifting those rear seats up. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Sierra 3500 Denali HD today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.